Google Docs. For this, you have to go to add-ons, get add-ons, search for save as docs, and you need to install the add-ons. Install, continue. So do all the procedure as it tells you. Now it's installing. It might take some time, so it's done. And now what you can do is that if I want to change this sheet into Google Docs, what I can do is that you can see I have the Google Docs here, save as to Google Docs. So what I do is that I select all the things that I want to save as Google Docs. So I select all the things that I want. Now go to save and start. So now it's working. So you can see I selected columns from 10 to 22. So you can check, you can give the file name. So students, so you can include headings, so all the headings will be coming there. Then add a page break after each row and save as doc. So this will be saving as a doc. Now if you open the doc file, you can see my file name and you can see the questions and the answers. So it's saved as 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then after 6 the next students comes, so you can get one by one.